Simple program to calculate age. We first go to brackets. So here is just a comment and it's not gonna hurt the program. Then I type print to display a little information about the program, such as answer the questions to know how long you have lived in this life. After that, I will make a variable called name and assign it to input. Then open brackets, string signs with the word name. Alright, then print open brackets with the string signs, and I will type, for example, what's your age, comma, open brackets with the variable name that we did above, comma, and question marks with the string signs. Now, I will make a variable called age and assign it to int. Int means integer. Integer only takes whole numbers. Now, open brackets, input, and open brackets, string signs, the word age. As you can see here, there's just a comment for you. Then type days equals age multiplied to 365, which means to convert it to years. We also gonna convert minutes and seconds. The last thing we gonna display the days, minutes and seconds. But we should write the variable's name to be displayed also. Then we print a thank you message. Save your work and try on terminal right now. Alright, don't forget to use Python 3. Then enjoy your program. Thanks for watching.